Drag-free mouse movement. Eliminates cable drag and snag to increase consistency and comfort while decreasing RNG in gameplay. Height adjustable spring arm. Extension of up to 3 inches allows the mouse wire to be held at the ideal height. Flexible rubber clip. Accommodates a wide range of cord sizes and safely secures the cord in 3 different locations. Non-slip weighted base. Rubber footing with 9.4 ounces weighted base stands the bungee in place for extra stability. Dimensions: 2.52 in x 3.82 in x 3.35 in 4.84 in. Compact mouse bungee easily fits and complements various desktop setups. Top reviews from the United States. Glad I picked this one. This one had longer shipping than the others, but it was white, which goes better with my setup, so I decided to wait. It came a day earlier than it was supposed to, and it looks great and works great. I don't really know about the weight of it or if it moves just sitting, because I used thin double-sided tape to just keep it on my desk. Great mouse bungee, thanks for the stickers.